In a secret operation deep inside a hostile desert, Commander Navaro and his elite shadow unit expected a routine reconnaissance mission. Armed with modern rifles, drones, explosives, and years of combat experience, they were trained for every kind of war the modern world could offer. But everything changed when a strange light swallowed the battlefield. When the team regained consciousness, the world around them felt wrong. The air smelled of smoke, horses, and iron. There were no engines, no radio signals, only the sound of thousands of marching footsteps echoing across the valley. Then they saw them. An entire Roman legion advancing in perfect formation, shields locked together, golden eagles raised high, thousands of soldiers marching with terrifying discipline under the blazing sun. At first, the shadow unit believed it was some kind of reenactment, but the fear in the Romans' eyes, the sharpness of their spears, and the precision of their movements proved otherwise. This was not history. This was ancient Rome alive. The first sniper shot shattered a centurion's skull, and chaos erupted across the battlefield. Modern bullets ripped through shields and armor like paper. Explosions turned Roman formations into walls of blood and dust. Yet the legion kept marching. For every Roman soldier who fell, another stepped forward without hesitation. Discipline replaced fear. The battlefield became a brutal clash between ancient determination and modern firepower. But Navaro soon realized a terrifying truth. Bullets run out, while Rome never stops. As the impossible war escalated, another force emerged from the horizon, the deadly Parthian cavalry, crashing into the Romans with unstoppable fury. In that moment, history itself became a battlefield where past and future collided in blood, steel, and fire.